What is up, good people? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back at you with an update on the Tectonic finance token. We know that's gonna be ticker symbol Tonic. Gotta let you know I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I say is financial advice. Just giving you my opinion on plays I'm in the market, and Tectonic finance is a very hot one that I have came to love very deeply. All right, getting into the day. Before we do though, I'd like to ask if you could drop a like on this video. I would definitely appreciate it. It'll help the promotion of the Tectonic project, and also definitely consider subscribing to stay up to date and ahead of the game on cryptocurrency news, and to win amazing NFTs that I give away every single week on this channel. All you gotta do is be subscribed and comment on my video. I aim to bring some new things to this channel as well, so stay tuned for that as well. I've got a lot of good ideas coming that I plan to execute on for the Tonic viewers in particular, and different crypto viewers for different projects. Okay, so looking at the day, we are sitting at 501029, and it is looking amazing. Look at this little leg up that we've had, and we're going a little sideways at the moment, so hopefully we could just keep that momentum. And I mean, this is looking very amazing. I mean, because after we know what it's been looking like lately, and geez, it's so nice to see a little sunshine after all of that rain, I'd have to say. But I have held strong. I haven't sold anything. I've been left it staked. I was earning it, and then they took the VVS finance farm or mine off, and so if you don't know, if you were in that mine, it was already shut down, so it's not earning anymore. You should take that VVS and do something else with it. I know, because that did come out of left field to me, so I didn't even know that. But now the Tectonic I do have too. I have it just staked in the Tectonic finance platform, which is going to be over here. You can click on the Tonic there and connect your wallet, and it will allow you to stake it right into its platform and earn 140% plus interest on every. I mean, it's really nice. And that is APY, I believe. So it's pretty nice. It is at all right. So looking at the markets, we do know we're on crypto.com. We're BVS Finance, Hotbit, and the various other chrono websites, I mean, or dApps. We are on a lot of them, I'm sure, that are not even kept up, but we are getting a little more information about it, which is very nice to see. We do have a community price estimate. We do stay currently very bullish on this project as a community. It does appear, and that is very, very nice to see. I am very happy to make these videos, but first I want to show you guys a lot of good news on this project. That's why I'm kind of going through it a little faster, because I want to get to the good stuff. We are currently sitting with a 55, and I'll refresh that. Let's see, just to see what the it is currently a 55. It does change pretty frequently, and 32 in terms of volatility, and we do have a sentiment score that sits right in the middle, but we need to definitely get that over into the bullish sentiment ASAP. I don't know what we have to do to get that going, but yeah, very, very bullish. Investor Place actually did a little mention of Tonic because it was recently, a day ago, just one of the top 6 trending cryptos on Google this week. That is absolutely insane, followed with ApeCoin, High, Spell, and Jasmy. Very, very nice to see. We do have Tectonic is another interesting crypto to watch with its focus on a cross-chain money market. This allows users to earn passive income by lending out their own funds as well as taking out loans. With inflation and recession on everyone's mind, it is likely Tectonic is catching interest as a way for users to protect their funds from rising prices. And that's why I wanted to show you. I think that's pretty valid point that they have made in this article, and it's pretty refreshing to see that we do have that. But looking at Chronoscan, I also actually wanted to touch, we do have 28,337 people holding the token as well, and you can go check that out at chronoscan.com. I would like to at least start throwing the holders in on these videos so that we can see that. But we have a lot of good news, and I mean, Tonic just can't stay out of the news, and that is one thing that keeps me pretty bullish. So the Tonic price has erased some of its gains earlier this month as investors reflect on its strong growth. Tectonic is trading at the 5001 below its monthly high of 5011. As a result, its total market cap has dropped to about 57 million, making it a relatively small DeFi platform. It has a total supply of 500 trillion, while 57 trillion Tonic are currently circulating. Decentralized finance is a leading industry, changing how people handle and access financing. DeFi platforms are letting people borrow money without going through a bank. Others enable people to trade digital assets without going through centralized platforms like Coinbase and BINANCE. Other DeFi platforms offer automated market making, AMM, and liquidity services. Tectonic is a relatively new algorithmic-based money market protocol that allows people to provide liquidity and earn a return. It also lets people borrow money in an over-collateralized model. Its model means that users can only borrow about 75% of the total value of their collateralized assets. On the other hand, liquidity providers receive a corresponding T token such as TETH and TUSD. The platform is powered by Tonic, the native coin for the protocol. The coin is used to pay fees and ensure the governance of the network. Tectonic is one of the fastest DeFi platforms built using Chronos, formerly known as Crypto.org chain. At the time of writing, the total supply of Tectonic was over 1.04 billion, while the total borrow was over 556 million. Very, very nice to see. So I was just under $500 million, and that is pretty awesome. So a Tonic price prediction: the daily chart shows that the Tonic price declined sharply in the past few months. It managed to move to an all-time low of 6074. Yeah, that one hurt. I mean, ow. But I mean, you gotta have a long-term vision on these kind of projects. You can't really expect it to hold the hype. The hype will go eventually fade, and true core values of their business models are what is gonna keep this coin afloat. And that's why our token afloat, and that is why I am bullish on the project long term, because I feel that they do have a lot going for them, and the hype is gonna burn out. So I mean, if you're trading, then I hope you make your money, but I mean, it at the same time, it's just all a model of how you aim to make your place in the market. So that is none of my business, and I will everybody is gonna have a very unique financial situation. So yeah, it has rebounded sharply in the past few days and has moved about the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level. The coin has also moved slightly above the 25-day and 50-day adaptive moving average. Therefore, there is a likelihood that the coin will resume the bullish trend as bulls target that 50% retracement level at 5013. Man, that is awesome to hear, and that is the stuff I love bringing you guys. I love making these updates to let you know what is going on with the project. And I mean, the whole thing is the DeFi thing is definitely not taking off the way that it is going to. And I mean, think about this: if we're just cutting out banks and taking loans at our leisure and at our capability based off of our assets that we hold, it's going to first of all encourage more people to hold assets rather than fiat currency. I mean, actually hold assets instead of hoarding money that is just being devalued every single year. And it is insane. I love to see the revolution that is happening in the financial industry, and it is very nice to be a part of. So I thank you guys all for being awesome viewers, subscribers. If you guys are subscribed, I definitely appreciate you guys the most. And all right, I will catch you all in the next one.